my God, we are back again.
Pro cars.
What?
I can't handle all these pro cars. I'm just a boy.
Well, after a couple minutes of calculating, we are gonna take this nice little cover off, and let's see, what we're gonna do. We're gonna change the rear gear, and I actually got to pivot this jack. That wasn't smart on my end. Oops. Okay. Whoa. Boom. So I'm gonna take that cover off. I'm gonna change the wheel speed to match what I think we want, and yeah, let's see if I can set this up. Set it up. Ugh. Ugh. I'm gonna make that noise every single time. Working on cars in the parking lot. Oh man, these are kind of tighter than I would normally put them, but that's okay. Oof. But this is what y'all want to see. Oh my God, the cover is in the way. I'm gonna probably have to like bend that down.
I didn't have this problem, Ermit.
I don't know. I can't tell you what the difference between Alec Honadell's car and this car. It's all the same. Okay. Gross. El Grosso. So now we're gonna switch gears out, because this is like 135 miles an hour. So now we're gonna go to.
It wouldn't cover me anyway.
22. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Oh. There we go. Put these in the box. It's all magical stuff back here. I don't really know what to say. It's just working. We're working. GoPro in there and make sure he doesn't grab the fucking e-brake.
On his last run, I had to.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, I'll do it after doing it together.
Okay. Wow, okay. How's that thing in there?
cut that off.
Here, I'll take it for him.
One more.
Uh-oh. What did you do?
What did I do? What did you do?
What did you do?
You owe me!
We're having problems.
Not problems.
It is a problem.
Well, I guess you can call it that. It's just a spark plug wire.
We're having spark plug wires popping off, which they're the most expensive ones, so it shouldn't be happening.
Yeah.
I'm here holding this hood because this car somehow does not have a hood prop. So practice is going on, and we're here changing new plug wires because the ceramics on the inside get all loose. They don't want to clip in and cause a little misfire.
There's a car broke on track right now too.
Oh, and there's a car broken on track. Seems like everyone's kind of braking right now. I guess this is like the midway, halfway, like you put a lot of stress on your car and, you know, things are starting to show now. Oh, there we go, there you go. Look at you, you're doing your little noggin.
I was trying to flex, you know?
How you feeling?
I'm okay.
Yeah. It's hot out here, dude. We got a fan. You want to come sit in front of the fan?
I'm chilling, I'm not getting up.
Yeah. Fan feels nice. I might point it over here for you. You can feel it.
And that's Kegel. Oh wow, look at.
Can you feel it from there?
Actually, yes. It's quite okay. I'll take this and I'll roll over this way. So practice got moved back. Here we are.
Relaxing.
Relaxing. I have no idea. Apparently they're moving K-rails, so here we are. You know what? We could get up and watch Kegel Johnson Racing work on Dylan Hughes' car, but I don't know if it's worth the effort or not. So I could just lay here because I could get sweaty just kind of getting up. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Should we get up and look around? No, terrible idea. Okay, bye.
They're hot dog. We got Grill Master Nick.
Yeah.
You're pretty good on the grill.
Are you?
Oh yeah.
The
Seems.
hamburgers were pretty good.
Tell us about this complex thing you're serving up for us, sir.
Oh, these meat sticks, you know. They're gonna be fiery, hot, and juicy. Now, but for real, you give me some steaks or let me like cook real burgers, like with ground beef and shit. Let me mix it up. I got some special stuff I put in it. And barbecue chicken. I'll make some killer barbecue chicken.
What about buffalo chicken?
But all we got is these ballpark
we can put some
franks.
spice on it. Yeah, right now we're just dealing with these.
Are you gonna
these
sear
meat
them?
sticks. Oh, we're searing them up.
Oh yeah. This shit gonna be bust.
What a day, man. What a day. I don't know what's going on. We're just here. We're living.
Oh, we're living it. I wish I had some butter though. I want to put some butter on the buns.
You want to put butter on my hot dog?
We don't have any butter.
Or would you like to put butter on my buns?
That one. Yes, please. They got butter at Pilot. Let's go real quick. I'll turn these down, slow roll them real quick, and we'll get some butter.
All the butter.